Welcome to using the Pockit DOC on your PC. First, take out your Pockit DOC and you're going to clip it to the top of your screen. It just slides right on, and I move it right over the top of the camera. If I don't want to use it, I can slide it to the side or remove it. When I'm ready to use it, again I can slide it back or clip it back on. So now I need to go to my apps and get my camera app. So I click camera. And when the camera app starts, there I am, and I want you to see my keyboard. So I'm going to put on the Pockit DOC. And there's my keyboard that I'm going to put a folder over the top and use that to write on. I need to present my screen, and I'm going to present it as a window. And there's my window with my camera app there. Now I'm ready to start. Since I'm presenting, I'm going to turn off my camera so my students don't see it backwards within the meet. See, my camera is off, but since I'm presenting using the camera app, this is what my students will see. There's my keyboard. I can move things up and down. You notice that they stay in focus, and everything is the correct way. Put my folder on top, and I'm going to put some letters on here. So I'm teaching little first graders. Because this is a whiteboard, I can actually write on it too. So I take out my dry erase marker and I'm going to write on it. Here's my math problem and my answer. And now here's a message for my students. Look how clear that is. Now remember, this is just a mirror and a piece of plastic, but it is a great solution for us all. Thank you for watching.